The Model T was unique in a lot of respects. It was the first mass-produced car ever built. They made 15 million of them. One of its great advantages was its reliability, and partly that was due to the gearbox being an epicyclic gearbox. It's got only 2 speeds, high and low, and they're operated without a gear lever. They're just pedals. And the left pedal, that one, you press it down to the floor and you move off in low gear, and you lift the accelerator lever on the steering column there. That increases the speed. When you want to go into top gear, shut the throttle and take your foot off the pedal, and it immediately drops into top gear. That car now is in top gear. If you want to reverse, you either hold that pedal halfway down and press the middle pedal, which is reverse, or you put the handbrake halfway on, and that deactivates the top gear, and you go backwards by pressing the reverse. The pedal on the extreme right is the brake. Very easy to use, no crashing of gears, and lasts for a long time. This one is the original gearbox and include in the original engine as well. It's never been rebored, and it will plod up 1 in 5 hills very slowly but with complete reliability. Wonderful car. I love them.